Match the function with its graph from choices A through D. F of x equals the square root of the quantity x plus 2. The graphs shown in A through D each have the same general shape as the square root function. In choice A, the starting point is -2, 0. In choice B, the starting point is 0, -2. In choice C, the starting point is 2, 0. And in choice D, the starting point is 0, 2. We have f of x equals the square root of x plus 2. Since we're adding 2 to the argument of the square root function, we will be looking for the graph that has the same general shape as the square root function, but is shifted 2 units to the left. That is the graph shown in choice A. Another way to look at this is to look at the domain of the given function. We know that x plus 2 must be greater than or equal to 0, and therefore x must be greater than or equal to -2. Therefore, we're looking for the graph of a function such that the domain is x greater than or equal to -2, which again is the graph shown in choice A.